Hi, my name is Nicole Rizzo. I am a sophomore at Stony Brook University, and this is my highlight of my digital portfolio. So here I have on my cover page all of the links to my social media accounts and my digital portfolio. So we can start at my digital portfolio. So this is the homepage of my digital portfolio, and I thought that it was important to have my name big right in the middle and in white with a picture of myself right underneath, because I thought that that would be embedded into the minds of whoever is looking at my digital portfolio and is interested and to see what I look like and kind of match the name to the face. I also thought it was important with the picture that I used because it looks like I'm wearing some type of uniform, and that is interesting to people because they would probably want to know why I'm wearing it, which of course they don't know now is it's a Stony Brook lacrosse uniform. So as I go into my digital portfolio, the first thing I have is my biography. So this is my biography, and it kind of just gives a quick little insight about me outside of school and lacrosse or anything like that. And it has some quick little things such as my major, which is English. I'm an only child, and I have a Doberman, and this is what she looks like. So it kind of gives some insight of what my life is like outside of academics and lacrosse. So speaking of academics and lacrosse, I have my academic and athletic highlights, and I thought that that was important to include because it shows all of the success that I've had. Obviously, not everything is going to be a success, but it shows that that the obstacles I have had, there have been success, and I'm able to push through any obstacle and get through it. So I think that that's important when it comes to promoting my brand. So I've been on honor roll for 2 years, and I included that I have had some appearances as a freshman in games so far, and it included my GPA, which is a 3.0, which is important for outside people to see what my grades are. So moving on to my extracurricular activities, I have some things I included some pictures. So outside of school, I included that I like to commute home to my family pretty much every weekend. I know it's not that far considering it's just in the other county. It's in Nassau County, but I still like to go home just to see them for Sunday dinners or anything like that. And I thought that that would be important to include because I think that that shows kind of where I'm coming from and what my morals are, and that I come from a good family, and I think that that's important to know when employers are looking for who they might want to hire, a part of their business or anything like that. So I also included some little fun things that I like to watch, Friends on Netflix, to show that I can be relatable to people. And I also included that my team was actually involved in a mental health awareness, to show that I can participate in things that I think are really important outside of lacrosse and academics, and you should really look out for yourself. And I included that picture of me and my team holding up the sign, showing that I can be very involved in it, and I like to get really involved in stuff like that. So the next part of my digital portfolio are all of my links. So I linked my Facebook page and my Twitter page, my LinkedIn page, and I only really use these mainly because I feel like these are the best platforms to get all of your points across and to really connect with people, and people can comment on them easily, and you can kind of get some type of outside views and stuff like that. So the link to this is my Facebook, it's right here. So I thought that this was fun to have because I have my profile picture, which is my cross picture, of course, and I have some messages. So I have my aunt wishing me a happy birthday, all that fun stuff. The next one I have is my LinkedIn page. So I connect mostly. I actually have messages here. I have messages from a teacher's college, because that's really what I want to do outside of college, is become a teacher. So I think that that's going to help me get more connected with teaching and with what I want to do after college. And my LinkedIn page I showed you, and my Twitter. This is my Twitter, and I think Twitter is what I use mostly because I think it's fun. I think it's interesting, and of course lacrosse photo. And I show that I'm a part of the LAX team, and I think that that's important too, to like get that across right away. And it also shows like what I'm really interested in. So there's a bunch of lacrosse stuff, so people can really see that I'm passionate about that, and stuff like that. And the last thing is my resume. So I included my resume because obviously people want to know what they're getting into when they are trying to employ someone. So I included where I'm going to school, my major, my GPA, and all the jobs that I've worked, whether they're like big or small. So like my lacrosse team, and then just babysitting and working at a camp and all this fun stuff like that got me to where I am today. And I included my skills, which I thought were important too. So yeah, that's really all about me and my digital portfolio. Thanks.